Have you ever wondered why plants are grafted? If you have a fruit tree or maybe a rose, you can expect it's highly likely that it's been grafted. There's an important reason for that. The simple reason is to inject vigour into the plant. So by taking it and grafting it onto a vigorous rootstock, you'll see the top plant enjoy the strong growth and vigour that the rootstock enjoyed as a wild plant. It sounds simple, but it's most definitely not. And there's a lot that goes into it. But it's not just for fruit trees and roses. In fact, it's here at a garden centre like the Greenery in Mt Evelyn that you realise how this can be used for many different types of plants, including natives. Barry Humphries is the MD of a multi-generational nursery that started way back in 1879 and today has multiple growing locations across Victoria and 2 retail outlets called the Greenery in Heidelberg and here at Mt Evelyn.
We started to graft ourselves and learn how to do it, and there was no book to go into and learn how to grow a eucalyptus. So we self-taught, and we've got a good crew there doing it. We've had a lot of challenges over the years, but it looks like we've got it down pat. And the reason why we do it is we can't propagate it. So these have been bred into a dwarf form or a beautiful red or a pink or whatever. So the only way we can clone it is to graft it. So that's why we've had to do it.
So it's vitally important because if you were to grow them from seed, there'd be variation.
That's right.
But this gives you that definitive colour. If there's a particular cerise colour or something that you're looking for in the flower or a particular height or shape, grafting guarantees that you will get that plant.
Yeah, you clone that plant, yes. Yep, that's right.
Barry's family-owned and run nursery has been leading the way in this space for some time in Australia, and it's his recognition of the value that a grafted plant brings to a home garden that's brought such diversity to his retail outlets and those of the hundreds of quality garden centres and nursery suppliers right across the country. Take a look at these beauties. They carry the branding Graft Masters, and there are a wide range of different plants, including Acacia Limelight, Casuarina Cousinette, Acacia Waterfall, and of course that beautiful Grevillea Bronze Rambler. These are a real investment in your garden, and it's all a result of the grafting. Sometimes this process may take 3 to 4 years before the plants are even ready for sale. But the end result is a superbly beautiful garden specimen that'll enhance your landscape in ways that no other plant can. I mentioned increased vigour, but this also leads to pest and disease resistance and different habits as well. For instance, topiary ball plants or stunning cascading or weeping varieties. Now, when you have a look at these sorts of plants, they're such legacy plants, and this is Bronze Rambler, a beautiful Grevillea. It's going to just cascade down like that, be covered in flowers, bring the birds and the bees in from miles around. These are what they call legacy plants. They're absolute structural, architectural plants that really fill a garden out, and they're a very important part of your garden structure overall. Start planting them out now, and as they get bigger and better and the rest of the garden grows, you are going to end up with the most magnificent features. These are part of the Graft Master range. They're grown locally here in Victoria by Humphries Nurseries, available up most of the east coast of Australia and some of the west coast. So look out for them in your local garden centre.